Singhason MSC constituency ang kangaparman Harchiali Silunia Long Sport Complex Kim Kirang Bomadim along Karbi Long Autonomous Council EM Amarsing Tiso Kahumridam. Borjan MSC constituency ki Parlo Balijan along PHC pen non antarat atumapan Pitek Tedet. Kicing siang deng karitang Boloram Teron Abarim SGB Chiki Mohamed Pen Football Tournament Championship ang dungkiti. Kardom nili Karbi prime time berta thanbang sami junaliti mungpi non berta ang tonpen arjuik tha. Singhason MSC constituency ang kanga Farman Arkoini Phaisir Cap ani Harchiali Silonia Long Kikim Kirang Bom sika Kuti Cap Atangka Pen Sport Complex Kikim Kirang Bom Madima Long Karbi Long Autonomous Council M Amarsing Tiso Lapen Karbi Long Autonomous Council Secretary Nirola Phangchupiatum Kahumridam. Singhason constituency ang kanga Farman Harchiali Silonia Long sika Kuti Kepen Sport Complex Kikim Kirang Adima Long Kahumridam ahut Galeri Kikim Kirang Jiapan M Amarsing Tiso Aridengpen Nujokta Som Tekang Kikim Kirang Kipamesen Lapen Sai Kiklem Kapaprab Jiapan Ta M Tiso Pachini Tekang Laanchot Takali Sang Ti Harlong Lapen Ingchin Haihu Aki Mesi Ki N Jiapan Ta Than Pachini Tekang. Difu Police Reserve Amekar Putur Bora Parla Long Arkoy Crystal Cap ani Fotografia se ki padu pusi kat news long birta nang pale. Photo ipakalam the suri ningje kemesena photo hamphang aphan kemia towar si than photo mate harchi ki nep mesen nangji la so lam pen Difu Police Reserve along kido hamphang klembang Putur Bora Parla Long ani sia Farman Photography ase ke padu Fotografi mate mohor ki nep ki plang la pen hamphang ar puwa puthak Guwahati pen kiwang non kido a photographer Arjan Deka pensi seke pilo seke ki ena tumapan sirkang nep si Monjir Children Park along si practical patupong. Borjan MSC constituency ki Parlo angkang Karbiang Long pen Nagaland ahoy Balijan along Piniar ni anta PHC pen mesen terjir pen kijun alang radapan pi pajertek thalang. Karbi ang long pen Nagaland ahoy Balijan along PHSI kampen lang kipijia pan lang ang krola pen lang kepang sip akor kimrang lo sitami kimrang chot amat piniani anta lang imunata PHSI kampen lang pitek pedet ratatum Karbi ang long autonomous council kachari kithe kitinga tumapan prapjin pen mesen kichun alang kipisarang jia pan kachuning ripado lasila so puthak non kido bom parivartan sarkar atum kopitong kamatha jini ratatum aphan aporsi thanpo. East Division Bukajan Forest Range ki Parlo Ingnam Rai Komasai ki atum Karbiang Long along Aronre pen Sangti ki Porlapen Dimapur an atrak ki pona tumapan kilang chari lapen Aronalo do ave hai ka khuruk dunjia pan piniar nianta sai ki deng avelang aputhak kat news asai hamalong non hejong birta nangle. East Division Bukajan Forest Range ki Parlo Balibothar Bornilja Diopani lapen Selonijan malompen ajo enarota thangaron alo mate tipi chalana vepin pen Karbiang Long asangti Dimapur ke pon Karbiang Long Autonomous Council in charge CM Tuliram Rong hang lapen Forest Board Chairman atum kapin khata teng pen Bukajan Ingnam Rai Komasai ki atumapan alo hai hui ke palang dunjia pan hanjang nang so tuwar kok thom kachitok along pangnilo kapin khata teng pen ke ton kilang asai kachiklem ta claim pakijoy kidam tang Christmas aprang pen ke ton piniar nianta aron pen tang tikipon atrak ihum na takineb dun thek tedet ajoke manghu meme alam athe arniwang ajoina lopupe sang tikroi atrak hum tikep suse ke cheleng apianta kineb dun bang pedet ke matha meme alam sang tikroi atrak atum tangka ja kompensi roi pon bom lopusi birtarib dunlong la so buthak munti damlote tangka kapacho dunjia phansi Karbiang Long Autonomous Council pen kapin khat ason mandetlo la so jok Bukajan subdivision pen Karbiang Long Autonomous Council phan revenue abitet ason si mandetlo la si aron repen sang tikroi atrak kinep dun vek jiapan Karbiang Long Autonomous Council atum prapjin pen sai deng sikime halapu sang tiabang aniwang kon bom lo sita revenue abang ave plote kipeton pen thangale abitetlo. West Karbiang Long Hamren MSC constituency ki Parlo dongkamukam banai ang long along arkoi ni phai Crystal Cap ani rong arat thurpak pen kecheleng atawar kacheselama birta nangle banayang long aradatum akele kecheleng aphan kidam tang pinanga ningkan pen kisung chichak nanglo pinpur me Karbiang Long Autonomous Council abitunga tumaphan labang so tawar kaselam ji aphan kachuning rip padolo sitame piniani anda bang so tawar kaselam pipedet ajo don phokep se aradatum propak pen amethang ke dam ke wang ki joy ke jia phan pura I don pen inunut dunsi tuwar kachelam along chirap dun tasi prabjin pen kachelenga tuwar kachelam pijia phan rat atum pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council phan kachuningri bado
pini rong thor pak pen kopi scheme lo la bang so tawar pini ga bonai ke
mane la nilitum majok scheme ben takali athema nilitum ningkan krep ho angbong ta nilitum di ason kina government le cari pusa nilitum so hang nun lo nilitum mapan badut a government da kira babe ama sini tum ke philo e kaporyo somar do kok mati di ama sini tum nangge nilitum pu don likep poke barat cengwai pen sini tum methang yong yung si klem da lo
pula nali tum kopi ka nani si lo
nitum Hamren ward number 5 nitum Hamren
kon nani si ward number 5 di
ward number 5
pini ladak kan bagdo monit nang
pini
tum
ga
cetok
yetong an bang likep rap ko bagdo mane pini da I itu rui so selo kame klem tangun ila
nung kreng bari khada la puson si lang do man la da
I lason lo la sini tu man dam tang anda government ke dam tang government ko an itu tadi la sini dak dongkam mukam kaun ward number 5 along ni tum phan rabjin pen lang so ali nang kerap ji phan se ak mata ni tum kahin pen chuning ri le
non malam so por phan bir namoing ton pik sna
Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand. An offer you cannot refuse. Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Dihina mo piputot birta along wangtulo. Karbi Artist Forum pen patir PC ar koini phai kriner cap ani anikang sam por phai pho por pen difu Farmer Growth Center along kicheng siang deng Karbi Film Award ki pajira sai kedeng. Karbi Artist Forum pen nong e ki pajira sai ang deng along MEC mate Forest Board Chairman Richard Tokbi chitong dun pen kang phualong nong ka chithang klong adon sepo Samson ingti Queen Hazarika lapen voso pipo lam arjan kachiparjan apangpu Romon rong piatum bangki thomatum sik Karbi lam arjan nong e aphan ingsai ingkrung dun kadu kavi lam arjan kep an kachipati along amen chithap dun nong e atum lake best editor Bapuram Ronghang Bajirong Best Choreographer Bhaskar Jutitole Rahi Best Costume Sangpi Terangpi Rahi Best Child Artist Charjin Thong Timung Bajirong Lapen Aksada Naiding Barua Best Supporting Male Bijoy Lekthe Female Rublin Kropi Bajirong Best Negative Role Male Crosswell Timung Bajirong Amlong Ingti Nikang Hon, Female Malin Tisopi Rahi, Best Playback Singer Male, Prabhika Tokbi Rahi, Female Barirong Parpi, Film Nikang Hon, Best Music Director Mongor Rong Pilapen, Arugdata, Film Rahi, Best Playback School Utpar Phukon Rahi, Best Actor Male Vipul Terang Nikang Hon, Female Ulmila Ingtipi Nikang Hon, Best Comedian Male Mohendro Teron Film Bajrong, Female Bindu Terang Pi Film Nikang Hon, Best VFX Bapuram Ronghang Chisong Film, Best Sound Design Ricky Teron Rahi Film, Best Action Director Paskar Timong Rahi Film, Best Lyrics Male Prabhika Tokbi Rahi Film, Female Kachai Kropi Sining Amanai Film, Best Character Artist Jejeng Rongphar Chesong Film, DOP Bikas Moirang Sining Amanai Film, Best Newcomers Male Dhiren Killing Chesong Film, Gautam Terang Rahi Film, Female Rupjili Bepi Nangjoy Ne Film, Lapen Sweta Rongpharpi Film Nikang Hon, Song of the Year Mongor Rongpi Nikang Hon, Song Lapen Bari Rongpharpi Chiputek He Song, Best Encourage Movie Award Nigam Ronghang Sampi Film, Sonsing Teron Boche Film, Sarsing Ingti Kahong Abinbu Film, Best Director Bipul Terang Bajrong Film, Best Film Award Paul Hanse Rahi Film, Atumsi Chipalong Pon Napen Category Inkoira Sirke Batumaphan Nong E Pajir.
This is the first Karbi Film Awards. This award has been organized by Karbi Artists Forum, and the main objective of organizing this film awards is to encourage the maiden artists, the talented artists. As we all know, there are a lot of Karbi talented artists in the fields of singing, music, dancing, acting and all. So our main motive is to give the platform for the artist lover, so that we can, so to say, linkage through this national and the international arena. So, and in today's award we have more than 29 category, like best film, best actor male, female, like best child artist, at the same time like best editing, best choreographer, costume. So it's total 29 events we are giving away the awards.
Award ki diye apnaloke?
Just now have already been mentioned that we have more than 29 awards, like this best choreographer, costume, and at the same time like best film, best so to say design in the field of designing, best editing. I don't want to mention the details, but 29 events.
So how many contestants, film contestants have been given here?
Yeah, so we have received 10 from different productions somehow. Actually, our main motive is that the Karbi Artists Forum has been formed just to say about the grievances and the problem. So if we have a platform so that we can share different issues in relating to the problems of the artists, and thereby we can, so to say, give it a platform, and by sharing all these different issues and all, at least the problem of the artists can be solved.
Kicing siang deng kalitang boloram teron abarim SGB ciki momen pen arkoi ni phai krisir cap ani tilihini rachitim apor pen balijan pathuak lamalong football kapathuang dung kitia birta bukajan rong supi pen perangke birta nang pale. Balijan Sport Association atumpen patirpi ponsi ke damtang suri hini ra krisir cap aningkan matijong ni phai siar ni pen kapathu kapang chengsi pini mate suri hini ra ingkoi aningkan arkoi ni phai krisir cap ani tilihini apor malom kalitang boloram teronapan kachiki mo patosi apithu ani tilihini rajtim apor pen football angdung kiti pangchenglo angdung kiti kapathu along alhiaman pen Radha Syam Pandey founder Balijan Hindi School Birsing Teron SDB Balijan, Harlong Bing Leng Maipu Delay Sport Association, Arvin Teron Dun Maipu KSA, Krishna Kathar Maipu Balijan Sport Association, Borsing Kro Kongjun Bang Balijan SA, Suresh Thapa, VDP Balijan Lapen Bimol Sarma, VDP Maipu Balijan Penchenglok, Pinangan Kithe Kiding Atum Chetong Dun si RDP Dun. Ang Dungiti Kepatua Long HDP Bamboo Union Pen 11 Club Delay Atumang Bongsi Patu Ponlo. Bamboo Union HDP Atum Gol Hini Lapen 11 Club Delay Atum Gol Hinian Kachipia Jok Puthot Penalty Penchetulsi 11 Club Delay Atum Bamboo Union HDP Atumapan 5-3 goals pen Peremlo. Karbi Prime Time Mangkela Pons Kang Ton Peglo Dumithakme Kurang Tu.